Hi, this is Krisha Warren, and today I will be presenting on rehearsing a speech. I will cover the various aspects of rehearsing a speech, the importance of rehearsing, tips and techniques to use, and conclude with a summary. So, the importance of rehearsing. First of all, don't wing it. Your speech is a performance and needs to be rehearsed for the best outcome. Hybels and Weaver compare shopping and trying on clothing to see how it fits to rehearsing a speech. Just like clothing, you can try something different or make alterations, which leads to my second point. While rehearsing your speech, it is still under construction and adjustments can be made, whether that's adjusting your speech rate, the content of the message, or how you will deliver certain points for emphasis. Third, from a personal perspective, rehearsing a speech builds confidence and makes a smoother delivery. If I haven't rehearsed a speech, I find I'm a little more scattered and not as precise in my message. And finally, practice makes perfect. With increased confidence and flow from investing the time to rehearse and practice over and over, your delivery can be much better. So some tips and techniques that I personally use when rehearsing a speech. First, say silently to yourself. Sitting at your desk and silently saying to yourself, what you're going to present is really a helpful tip. It allows you to get your thoughts together and visualize your delivery. Another one I do often is practice in a mirror. That really helps with recognizing your body language and facial expressions. We've done a lot of recording in this course, and that too is a good technique to use. Referring back to your video to see how and listen to how you sound and what needs to be adjusted is important in the final product. If you have or can find an informal audience, whether a coworker, family member, or a few willing to listen and critique you, that is something I found to be helpful when rehearsing and improving my speech. And finally, dress rehearsal. Not so much the attire, but the location, the mic, if you're going to have one, just the overall general logistics are really important to try out before you actually have to go and deliver your speech. The last thing you want to do is worry about logistics. I can say that from a personal experience. So in summary, rehearsing your speech is valuable and important for a successful outcome. You should spend more time rehearsing your speech than delivering the actual speech itself. What you put into it with time and various rehearsal tips and techniques will ultimately aid in the success of your speech. Thank you.